So each of you have the All Access program on your campuses through the All Access licensure. And I'd love to talk a little bit about what this has meant for your campuses and specifically for your students.
I can start. Most of my students can't afford test prep courses. A couple $1,000s is really out of reach for many of them. Not all of them. Some will take gap year, save their money, and utilize that. But it's been fantastic to sort of have students say it took a weight off, that they were able to sign up and are excited about taking the course or have been working through the course, and that it's one less thing to worry about and one less thing to save for, and what is often an expensive process in terms of applying to health professions or law school program. And it's been great. We did a lot of marketing originally, which I think was great, but what I am enjoying is that whenever I bring it up with a student, they're like, oh yeah, I know, I'm already signed up. Or I have yet to have a student say, oh, I didn't know about it. So I think between the initial marketing push and then word of mouth between the students, they are excited for each other to be able to really utilize the opportunity and take advantage of it.
Yes, all access for us, we were able to see that we have now more of a cohesive understanding of the number of students that are receiving test prep. So it used to be that, of course, they would be going to many different programs and we couldn't really gauge an understanding of what was the impact of the ones that they were taking. But having this all encompassing and for it to be more localized in terms of our engagement with a test prep platform, we're able to do more tracking and we're able to also have, and it's not that we, you know, prevent people from taking advantage of other resources, but the fact that we do have this conversation with them on a regular basis, for a population that may not have monies just set aside just for test prep, that this has really helped them to know that this is part of their journey as an undergraduate student and that it's available, should they decide to take full advantage of it. And so I like the fact that we do have these resources, and I like the fact that we have the ability to offer it to them without there being another burden of cost.
And I've had the pleasure of watching how offering this test prep opportunities to our students has come a long way in the last 6-7 years since we have offered it. It was back at the beginning through our Career Center, funded through the Career Center as a dynamic half block, back to our block plan. In January, we have 2-week courses that we call half block. And we thought that'd be a great opportunity to offer students kind of like a boot camp, like an MCAT boot camp that Kaplan provided to our students. They would come on campus, but we realized it was very limited because it would be 2 weeks and then like a 12-week study plan. And it was going okay, but it wasn't the best. And as things progressed and we met with people from Kaplan, we discovered that it'd be better to offer the full program. And then the all access came on board, I think, for us last year. That's a game changer because one of the issues we had is it was only offered in April, or I mean in the spring, and then they could maybe study on their own in the summer, but it really wasn't designed to take it when they wanted to take it. All access is now, I can't express how awesome it is to have a student at my desk look at their face when I tell them we have all access. You can start tomorrow. You can start in February. And to watch, like Misty was saying, the weight on their shoulders come down and their face be unstressed and be like, and it's free. I mean, it's absolutely wonderful, and it's something that Colorado College offers to our students if you want it. And then we are able to also increase the ability to take the DAT prep because we didn't have DAT prep. We didn't have very many students that were dental students, and we do now. And it was an easy discussion. Part of the all access is GRE, DAT, all of it, and it has been really helpful. Like I said, and also for those that graduate they can still access that for, I think, half price, or even a smaller price, which is still good. Because again, meeting students where they are, not everybody knows when they're a senior and they think, oh, I didn't think to take it. Okay, well, you can sign up now as a student and you've got a year to take it. It's just wonderfully flexible, and it really is a game changer.